Hi guys. Hey, wanted to show you a really cool little model kit that I found at Hobby Lobby. Oh, it was probably last year, 2 years ago, something like that. Is a lot of you that follow air show circuit and stuff like that, the bombers and that. The 909 crashed a few years ago, and unfortunately we lost several people on board, and but I was at Hobby Lobby one day and I saw this little cartoon B-17, and it is 909. It's got the 909 nose art and everything like that. So it was pretty neat little deal. So I went ahead and I got it, and I mean it's very simple, kind of a build. It's a snap together, um, basically a snap together kit. You put your windows in, your side waist guns. Everything's molded in color too. That's kind of the funny thing. The top's molded olive green. The guns are molded black. The propellers are molded black. The bombs are molded. It's even got bombs. They're olive drab. And then the bottom of it is molded in neutral gray. So you don't even have to paint this thing. You don't have to do any painting on it or anything. It's really neat. But then you get your little cockpit, top turret, ball turret, landing gear, chin turret, tail wheel, etc. It's got the open bomb bay doors, shows the little bombs in there. So it's a neat little snap together, cartoony looking B-17, and that's got the decal stuff on there. Now, for some reason, I don't have a lot of luck when it comes to decals lately, which actually are not decals, they are stickers. But here's the completed bird. And the only painting I did on the whole thing was the silver on the landing gear and the silver on the wheels. That's it. Other than that, everything else came in the color that it was. But I don't have a lot of decal luck lately. And what they are, they're not even a decal, they're a sticker. And they're okay for the most part. But for some reason, on the American insignia and the red wingtip, you can see where the adhesive part of the sticker stayed on, but the actual colored marking fell off, flaked off. Sorry about that, guys. So I gotta find that. I laid them up somewhere, and I forgot where the hell I laid them up at. So I'm gonna go ahead and just glue them back on there when I find them again. But other than that, sorry. Other than that, it's all done. Now I'm just gonna take a piece of fishing line up around the thing and just hang it from the ceiling. Just let it dangle around. But like I said, just kind of cute. The whole cartoony look of a B-17. But like I said, then on a serious note, with it being the a model kit of the 909, that's pretty special too. So, but like I said, I got mine at Hobby Lobby. It was $12.99, but then I think it was like they had 40% off at the time on model kits. So, so it wasn't too bad. But yeah, like I said, I got this little guy done. Other than trying to find the insignia and the wingtip red, and then it'll be done. So which basically it's done anyway. I'm gonna hang it up so you won't see it anyway if I don't find them. But anyway, like I said, I just wanted to show you guys this little guy. And like I said, if you're in a Hobby Lobby, and you like the little cartoony looking things like that, kind of reminds me of how the Tamiya is coming out with those little comical grasshopper and frog and the hot shot and stuff like that. It's kind of that comical, cartoony looking thing, but pretty neat little kit. I mean, it really didn't take very long to build, and just a nice looking little bird. So, um, all right, guys. Well, happy New Year, and hope you guys are all doing good. And I'm gonna get back to watching the Ohio State football game. Hopefully, we can get get caught up and get ahead. So, thanks, guys. Take care.